Yo, welcome to the crypto market inspection of January 20th, 2025. Today is a very important day. We got the 47th president of United States, Donald Trump, entering office today. So it's going to bring a lot of volatility, which it has already done today. So I kind of want to go over the trade that I talked about in my video yesterday. And as you see on the screen, we played it out into perfection. Right? We caught 2.67 R overnight. It's my best trade so far into 2025. Perhaps after my 90.1K long that I closed here for 2R. I like this one too, but yeah, I would say this is my best trade so far in 2025. We are trading the range pretty good. We traded the extremities. We traded the mid level and nothing in between, right? Didn't really want to take a position here unless it was into my system, which played out very well, as you see. So I took this trade because my system told me that yeah, this is a doable trade, right? Always follow your system. Um, but yeah, I explained this trade setup in yesterday's video. That we have the range low, we have the range high, and we have this downward trend line which we broke out of, and we have this H12 order block right here. And then if you go a little deeper down, you have the H4 order block. Both of these are confluent with each other based on that they were the consolidation before the breakout from this downwards trend line. And this is resting exactly above the mid level. And if you take the volume profile from our session, which was this yesterday, we traded basically straight into the MPOC. I bet if I take something like this, yeah, you see that it's a little thick here. Let me remove the background box here. Let me make this a little thinner like so. This new volume profile right here, you see how if you put your limits exactly somewhere like here, a little above this one, you may have been front running a little bit, but if you did this one, right, usually it's smart to do a little more volume profiles into your pinpoint of interest. If you put your stop exactly on the MPOC, as I've explained, you would have gotten a sniper entry, right? So using the MPOC for your entries inside of an order block could be great for some sniper entries. Just saying. Just want to put that there. But yeah, now I'm a little sidelined on BTC. I don't really have the best idea from here. I want to go over on a clear chart here. So yeah, this is from the video I explained yesterday. So as you see, wanted to target up here, but I closed it here for 2.67R as a lot of volatility is coming today. Let me just remove this a bit here. Let's keep the range low. Okay, I'm gonna just put the H12 here. Um, I want to start off just right here. Where does the daily 12 and 25 EMA go? We tap straight into them, and then we went higher, right? So as long as we're above here, we are bullish, right? You want to look for longs. We don't need to check the weekly as it is. We're above it, obviously. But yeah, we do have a range here, and what do we want to see today is kind of something in the ways of a range breakout, right? We're struggling here now. This is we took liquidity above here. Started trading a bit lower, but we're holding still, right? So there's a lot of buy pressure in the market. Stock is on this way up. Um, Made a double bottom into our POI, and we traded it towards the range high. Um, so what you really want to see here is a H4, a couple of H4 candles above here. Have some acceptance above, right? Now, if price created some type of order block, right, this is where you want to look for your retest. If it creates an order block on here and it goes up, I'm talking like if it does like this on the lower time frame and then goes up, that's your entry if you want to trade um, a range breakout, right? And you want to target 120K as this was our Fibonacci extension of from here to the low that we had. If you look in the weekly, this is your 1.618 target level if we're gonna go higher. So that's really what I'm looking for on BTC. Perhaps today I might go with a very small position though. I want to be very careful on leverage here. I am already in a trade on Ethereum, which I will go over. The same one from yesterday's video, but I'm just gonna go over it. But yeah, this is what I want to see on BTC so far. Look for a formation of a low time frame order block, and then trade the retest. I'm not gonna just mark entry the second we go above here. Right? I'll wait for the retest, but perhaps I don't think we're gonna get it because I mean it's Trump is coming into office today, so it's gonna be a very volatile day. So I'm not expecting price action to be too clean, like giving you the perfect retest before moving higher. Let's go over Ethereum. So yeah, I'm still long from yesterday. I like the weekly candle close we had here. Um, right, at least we closed above my entry, which is good, I guess. But yeah, suck liquidity. Uh, let's go on the daily. Just want to see how the 12 and the 25 EMA looks like. Yeah, so we're holding it, right? You want to see really now. This is our kind of our last hold, in my opinion. If you start rolling over here now, I think we move down to 2,740. 2750 level. The dailies, yeah, we're still below. Right, there's a lot of compression happening here. Bulls are fighting to get back above. Once we actually do break out of this trend line to the downside, you'll see enormous expansion due to how FBTC is lining up. Right, you have this right. It's making it its bottom. The bottom is near, so I'm expecting the BTC to spend a little more time where it's at a little, but I mean maybe we could have our bottom made today due to Trump. I saw some on Twitter that something on Twitter that he's buying Ethereum, so let's hope that he can push price higher. So yeah, but yeah, the daily looks like this so far. We are green on the day. We are currently up. Let's see how much we're up here. Give me 1 second here. Yeah, so we're up. We're up a little. That's good. Let's go on the 4 hour. Just want to see how the So you can pay attention to the daily stock here. All right, we were at the lows from the highs, and now we're kind of like chopping a bit around here, like we did here, like we did here, like we have done here, like we have done here, and perhaps. So I mean, I do think it's a possibility that we do actually continue higher. Okay, due to what I just told you about FBTC. Um, the most important thing to me is to at least hold the 3K level. You don't want to see a daily closure or even a H4 acceptance below this level. All right. You have liquidity up here. You have liquidity up here. If I draw this as the range that it is, like so, right? You have the range. You want to be playing the range, right? I'm probably going to take some profits here, as I explained in yesterday's video. If we do get to the range high, maybe see how price reacts to this daily supply. Maybe trim something off. Maybe add somewhere on a retest. Like, I mean, I do see something that may play out in the future here. You have kind of like the supply here, then it needs to hold this green box and move higher, right? Just play to your system and take profits on the way, right? You're never gonna be wrong about taking profits, right? But do just trade your system, right? Trade the extremities of the range, which we're doing here, and we're looking to target up here. H4 looks like this. Um, yeah, I mean, to me, it's looking pretty strong so far. We had a double test down here on this inefficiency. It made a low hold on the lower time frame here. So yeah, this inefficiency is getting filled. There's a lot of buy pressure here, and the H4 candles here are strong. Even this week, we have 1 hour left. They are strong still. So like, maybe we can see if Trump says something good about BTC, and perhaps everything just pops. It's what I would mostly like. Probably everyone would like that. But yeah, that's today's crypto market inspection. Just an update on how my positions are going, and yeah, looking for this breakout on Ethereum soon, and in Confluence something like this on where was our chart? Something like this on Ethereum too, right? No, BTC I mean. So yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Careful on leverage today, and I catch you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.